Once you are part of a brand's seller network, you can sell their products. And in this video, I will teach you how to add products to your ZigyShop so you can start social selling. So you want to be at ZigyShop at the right bottom corner. Tap on that. Then tap on the cogwheel in the right top corner. Tap on Shop Pages. And now I will show the shop I currently have. And as you can see, I haven't added products yet. So let's add some products. Tap on Home. Now this is the widget list, so how the shop is built. Tap on Add Widget. There is a simple way to add all your products to your shop with a few taps. So we can tap on Product and select Show all your products. So if I do that, this is how it looks. All the products that I can sell for a brand are on my shop right now. I don't recommend using this. What I do recommend is either allow collection sorting. So if a brand has made collections, you can sort by collections. You can also determine to display the brand name. So let's do that right now. You can determine how to display your product. So for instance, 2 products per row. This can also be 3 or 4. You can determine the max width of the widget and the max width of the product images. You can determine the shape of the product images. So squared, subtle, curved, or rounded. And you can determine to show product descriptions. You can also adjust the text of the header. So for that, simply tap on the text, type your header title. So for instance, my favorite product. And we can also tap on customize. So we can manage the size and color of the text. So determine the size of the text, the color, the font style, and also top/bottom padding. And padding is basically the distance, so the spacing of your text to the next element. I advise you to play around with this until you have your preferred spacing. For now, we go back. You can also tap on widget properties. And in the widget properties, you can determine the sizing and the color settings. So you can specify the width, background color, padding, and margin for this widget. Margin and padding are the 2 most commonly used properties for spacing out elements. A margin is a space outside something, whereas padding is a space inside something. I advise you to play around with this until you have your preferred spacing. Tap on Save. The next thing we want to do is we want to add curated collections. So we want to add our own collections of your favorite products that your followers will love. So for now, I'm deleting this one. And I tap on Add Widget. I tap on Curated Collection. I type the title. So for instance, if I tap on the plus Add Content, I can add product. So what would you like to add? And this is for my favorite books. So I search for book. I tap on Save. So these are my favorite Sherlock Holmes books. As you can see, the header is a bit too close to the product. So I'm going to add a bit more padding. I tap on Customize, top/bottom padding. I select 10. I tap on Save. So as you can see, there's 10 pixels right now, so there's more spacing. So this is how you can make specific collections for your favorite product. Another thing you can do is you can feature a product. So if you tap on Add Widget and tap on Featured Product, you can select the featured product. So this is a product you want to highlight on your shop. So this is your featured product. So either on the left or the right side, there will be text, so the description of your product. For now, I select the left side. The product image size, medium. I'm going to set that to large, and the width is 75%. If you want to, you can also add action buttons. So let's add an action button as well. So buy now, for instance. Let's go back, tap on Save. Let's take a look. As you can see, this is our featured product. On the mobile version, the text is below the image, but on the desktop version, the text will be on the left side. So let me show you how that looks. Now, another thing you can do is you can feature a collection. So if you tap on Featured Collection, we can select a collection. So let's say a brand has made collections. This is where you can select that collection. Another thing we can do is we can highlight product by using a product carousel. So this is a slideshow of the products on your shop. So let me add a product carousel. As you can see, you can select auto scroll and you can show the product title. You can also determine the image height and the text alignment. So I want my text to be centered. Products to include, I tap on the plus. Once you've added your products, tap on save. Drag it to the position you want it to have on your shop. View shop. So this is a slideshow of your favorite products. So now you know how to add your favorite products to your ZigyShop.